Inhaling the arms behind, gentle fists, raising them up the lower back and down the sacrum. Inhale the hands up and exhale, imagining you're massaging the kidneys, same height as the kidneys. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, hands drop. Everything is shoulder width apart. Gentle fists. Inhale the hands up the lower back and exhale down the bladder channel, down the backs of the legs to the toes, up the inner groins to the clavicle, and exhale, hands back down to redo the series. Inhale, gentle fists up the back. Exhale, down the sacrum. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, imagining that you're massaging your kidneys, imaginary kidneys. Inhaling the arms up. Exhaling the hands down. Inhaling, massaging the lower back, the kidney area. Exhaling the hands down the sacrum, down the bladder channel to the toes. Inhaling up the inner meridians, kidneys, liver, and spleen, and exhaling down. So find your own rhythm. You can go slower, you can go faster. The idea is that whenever the arms rise, you inhale. Here you're exhaling. Here you're inhaling. Shoulders always stay down. Body is rooted and grounded. This is a kidney strengthening practice, a kidney tonifying practice. As you massage the kidneys in the lower back, you massage the bladder, you massage the inner legs, which is also the kidney, liver, and spleen, up to the kidney channel, which is up to the clavicles, and hands drop. Inhaling the hands up the kidneys in the lower back, down the sacrum, arms rising. Exhaling, imagining you're drawing with your fingers the kidneys. Inhaling, the arms rising up. And exhaling, the hands back down. Keep breathing in and out. You can do this as fast or as slow as you need to. Knees never bend over the toes. You hinge at your hips like you're about to pick something up when you come down. We'll do this again. Inhaling the arms behind, massaging the kidneys in gentle fists. Exhaling down the sacrum. Inhaling, releasing your fists. Exhaling, imagining you're massaging these imaginary kidneys all the way to your own. Inhaling, the arms up. Shoulders always stay down. Hands come all the way behind. Inhaling, massaging the lower back and the kidneys. Down the bladder line. Inhaling the inner groins all the way up the kidney line, rooting, grounding, and dropping. 8 series, 8 movements of this Badwa series. This is number 6. Beautiful tonifying, grounding, nourishing practice for the kidneys, especially in the winter. And especially when there is any stress in one's life, this practice allows you to really find rooting with breath, body, and spirit. The beautiful thing about the Qigong practice is it's a tonifying, a building, and a nourishing practice. Inhaling and exhaling. Hands all the way down to the backs of the heels to the toes. Inhaling up the inner meridians of the legs and exhaling, rooting the chi down to the earth. Inhale, gather all the chi you've created, bring it into your lower dantian, right hand over left. 3 breaths. Relaxing, absorbing, and breathing.